Are you looking for the top 5 best underwater drones in 2023? In this video, we will look at some of the best underwater drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Yukon Robot BW Space. The active tracking system is one of the most important and coolest systems of Yukon. It can lock and track an object if it follows a fish or a scuba diver and keeps it in a frame. Moreover, the 6x zoom feature enables one to see the subject more clearly. The 4K video at 30 FPS and 12 MP image makes it easy to share and live stream. The most durable robot that has 7 hours of DV time or 5 hours that helps in shooting the best photos. The connection is stable and has multi-transmission technology. The drone can dive up to 100 meters in depth. The 1380 lumens LED lights to adjust the brightness, and you can even use them manually. This is to ensure a clear and sharp image by image stabilization. The 1.5 meters per second speed makes it the fastest drone which can be controlled by phone. At number 2. Chasing Dory Underwater Drone. The Chasing Dory Underwater Drone is a great entry-level drone. This has a battery life of 1 hour and can dive 15 meters down, which makes it perfect for any pool party. To locate the buoy, Dory connects GPS Wi-Fi that can stream 720p live video, save 1080p video, or take photos. The internal storage measures 8 GB. The Dory has two 250 lumens LED lights and has 1.6 aperture. The 100-degree field of view ensures that one doesn't miss anything. Dory has a depth lock and an angle lock that fits into the perfect spot. The lightweight and portable drone nature helps you to take it along while traveling. This has sharing abilities that make it perfect for influencers and content creators who love water sports and sea life. This has a tether that is connected to a waterproof Wi-Fi buoy. This helps in easy tracking in the water. This has a length of 49 feet 15 meters. The drone is effective and well priced for a beginner. It's compact and easy to transport. At number 3. Gladius Mini Underwater Drone. The Gladius Mini Underwater Drone is an expert option when it comes to underwater exploration and recording. The 4K UHD camera, excellent diving abilities, and FPV viewing. Moreover, the camera has an aperture of f3, which makes it great for darker underwater situations. The light levels can be boosted by LED lights. The advanced pilot options make cinematic videos. This mini Gladius can dive deep up to 100 meters, 330 feet, which makes it great for underwater drones. The 1080p or 12MP camera can record videos in 4K. The 5 stabilizing propellers and a depth hold feature ensure the sharpness. Moreover, the camera settings can be controlled for better image quality. The heavier the seawater buoyancy helps the drone to sink in salty water. The battery life is up to 2 hours. The Gladius Mini has a 4K capable underwater drone that has an extended exploration range and flexible nature. The floating base gives more freedom, and built-in lights help in better capturing underwater. At number 4. Tether Titan. The Tether Titan is an incredible drone that has 150 meters, 492 feet, that has high-tech ROV and 4K video resolution. The 64 GB storage makes it easy to use. It's great for underwater videographers and small salvage operations. This is a bit expensive drone and is agile and can travel at speed of 2 meters per second. The drone has underwater hovering, self-balancing, and fixed depth gliding. This drone has a robust design and 4K UHD recording, which helps in capturing underwater footage. The 574 feet DV and 3000 lumen LED light helps in better capturing underwater imaging. The 6 independent multi-directional thrusters for movements help in exploring the movement underwater. The 4K video shots at 30p and 64 GB of footage make Titan Deep Diver. The Titan has deep diving and excellent maneuvering, and ROV is useful for underwater exploration, coral reefs, and other fishing activities. At number 5. QYSEAFIFISH Vault 6 Underwater Drone. The QYSEAFIFISH Vault 6 is a sophisticated underwater drone that has omnidirectional movement, 4K UHD recording, and superb pilot control. The patented smart thrusters make it the most maneuverable underwater drone on the market. The 4K UHD video, LED lights, and 4.5 hours of battery make it great for oceanographers. This drone can dive up to 330 feet 100 meters for underwater exploration. This can be enhanced through optional tether extensions that lengthen it up to 200 feet 300 meters. This drone offers impressive flexibility and has omnidirectional movements. The camera has 4K UHD and an aperture of f2.5 that captures the lower light underwater scenes. The camera has a 166-degree view for an impressive wide angle. The sonar system helps it to map the seafloor. This is a good all-rounder underwater drone that has everything in it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Until next time, I'll see you later.